Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Chikahan na, kauban ang atong bisitang kapuso artist nga makahinabi ni attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, RJ! Maayong buntag mga kapuso ug welcome to Vista. Karong buntaga atong makauban ang kapuso actress and idol sa kusina host, Kapusong China Ortaleza. Maayong buntag, Miss China, and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you and of course your family?
Maayong buntag sa iyo and maayong buntag sa lahat ng kapusong nanunood dyan sa Mindanao. My brother is in Cagayan de Oro, so
Wow.
hello! At may may pasigaw pa yung baby ko. Salamat.
It's okay. Pero pwede nga baka pwede nating maisama dito. Anyway, Miss China, syempre alam namin na this could be a struggle for you as a wife and of course as a mom, but how did you manage your life at home?
Surprisingly, it's not as tough as I expected it to be. Siguro parang yung buong proseso na nandito kami sa bahay, maraming beses ko ngang inuulit na mas marami pa rin yung positive kesa sa, 'di ba, negative na pakiramdam. Kasi number one, it's always nice to be with my family and to see the children develop. At the same time, marami kaming natututunan na skills ni Kian.
Thank you also for sharing that with us, Miss China. And also ito, idol sa kusina. Nakukwentuhan mo naman kami about your whole experience with Chef Boy. Logos idol sa kusina. How has this whole experience? Nagiging expert ka na ba when it comes to cooking?
Actually, I miss Chef Boy. We haven't seen each other for months. But I'm happy because kasama niya yung pamilya niya sa farm niya sa Compostela Valley. The involvement in Idol sa Kusina has been a blessing in my whole married life because before nga, I wasn't really a homemaker. I was a career woman. So I didn't know anything. After being with the show for how many years now, yung skills na nahasa throughout the years na nagiging assistant or sous chef ako ni Chef Boy really were very important throughout the pandemic because especially during the ECQ because we really had to cook. Diba? There weren't any restaurants open for deliveries and it was just scary during that time to buy anything from the outside. So I had to cook, which meant na we realized how expensive it is na lumalabas ka at bumibili ka ng pagkain sa mga restaurant. So, natuwa kami ni Kian because it really helped out in our budget na mapahaba pa namin yung savings namin because we were cooking at home and we were cooking healthy. A lot of gulay and fish. We cut down a lot on meat kasi nga parang yun nga it's very important to take care of your health during this time.
Mula sa iyo, parang kahit naka-community quarantine tayo ngayon, that doesn't stop you from sharing your life, your stories, and your insights. Tell us more about #Usapang Artista. What is this all about? And what do you think is the greatest siguro misconception about celebrities like you?
Okay, well, I'm really blessed to have been able to collaborate with my fellow artists. So, this is actually a concept that four artists thought about, and I'm really happy that GMA Artist Center supports us continuously throughout this pandemic. They're always so kind to us, especially with our ideas. So I was lucky enough to work on this project with Mikoy Morales and Benjamin Alves and Ana Fileo. So the show is called How Do You Feel? Yung gusto namin kasi makita talaga ng mga tao dun sa show is how actors are and yung proseso namin pagdating dun sa craft ng pag-arte. It's actually on the YouTube channel of GMA Artist Center, so they can just search for the episodes.
Thank you very much, Miss China. It has been, a very meaningful conversation with you this morning. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
And that was Kapusong China Ortaleza. Pero mas nailhan na gyud nato si Kapusong China not only as an actress but also as a wife and a mom. Sila mo mga kapuso kay mabalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.